I think it's important to recognize not just the legal profession, but the entire corporate working structure is extremely patriarchal and male centric, and frankly, quite outdated because it's created to support a man who has family, people to cover all their other commitments, and their only focus is for the work is to work. Whereas this system somehow just doesn't accommodate women and even men who want to contribute to their families. So the way society is currently, the current corporate system just doesn't support it. There's such an importance given to hustle, to competition, to working unexpected long hours, to unexpected deadlines, and then everyone is just rushing, and this often leads to burnout. And I remember 20 years ago when I was an intern in a law firm, I heard someone say, just once this week, I'd like to go home before the sun rises. And it was just this normal thing that everyone just assumed was a normal way to work. And that's how I went into the legal profession. And it was just a normal way to work. And it was fine. It was great. I loved my work. I enjoyed being obsessed with my work. I enjoyed the long hours. But then when I had a child, everything changed. Everything changed with the way I looked at work, the way I looked at life, the balance, all of it. And I also think COVID had a large role to play in the way people looked at work. The world didn't collapse when people didn't go into the office. Flexible remote working hours became a thing. And so when I started at Nyaya, which is an organization that helps women and children understand their legal rights, I wanted to be a part of a team that was nurturing and that focused on collaboration over competition. So how we do it at Nyaya is that every team member identifies their objectives based on a shared mission and vision. We set out our tasks, we decide our own deadlines, as long as it fits within what we want to do. And then everyone works. We have flexible work hours. You can work, accommodate for your health, for your family, for your personal life, your mental health, as long as your tasks are met. And not once have I found that I've had to ask someone to work more. I've in fact had to mostly encourage my team to take time off, to give themselves more space, because everyone is excited about the work they're doing. They're committed to the work they're doing. And instead of just surviving, I think they're thriving and they feel much more commitment to what we're doing. And I mean, of course, there are still challenges being a woman, being a mother, being a parent, and working at the same time. But at least now I feel like I can navigate it based on my choices and I have the autonomy to make those decisions. So it's a lot easier. And I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Women's Day.